Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. Today is September 17th, 2022, and I'm going to cover gold, silver, and senior gold miners GDX. The drama in the gold market doesn't seem to come to an end. Despite all the calamity gold has been through in the past few weeks, I am pretty certain that the recent price action was engineered to shake out as many investors as possible ahead of a strong rally, which I expect to commence post-FOMC meeting on September 21st. Let me share with my arguments one by one. First of all, in my previous videos, I suggested that gold should largely hold at key $1680–$1690 support level. I believe by the end of the next week, my expectation will prove to be correct. Although I genuinely thought that this 2.5 support would not be tested. Because if recent breakdown in gold price turns out to be a false one, then sellers risk getting caught up in a violent short squeeze. Let's discuss in more detail. I understand that sellers attempted to cause a waterfall sell-off by running stops below $1,680 level. Usually when such an important and long-term support level fails, for real, the market sells off violently and not able to find the bottom. However, in the recent case, we didn't witness that, as gold not only experienced a contained sell-off, but also managed to start coming back towards the end of the week. So far, gold managed to hold this punch pretty well and avoided a panic sell-off. Secondly, as gold formed a nominal low, RSI formed a strong divergence, suggesting that the metal might be hammering out the bottom. Furthermore, silver didn't join gold in the recent sell-off. In fact, silver added over 4% in the passing week, as gold lost 2.5%. This is perhaps a very rare price action, which I don't think I witnessed before. Not only silver, but also senior gold miners GDX also decoupled from gold. GDX ignored the recent decline in gold and stood the ground. Such price action tells me that miners do not buy a recent sell-off in the gold price. So all these factors together, in my opinion, suggest that the recent sell-off in gold could be a false one. Moreover, I assume sellers threw everything they had in order to trigger stops and drive gold price much lower. But so far, I believe they didn't manage to achieve that goal. If sellers ran out of ammunition and failed to drive gold price any lower next week, which I believe to be the case, then gold will come back violently, leaving sellers exposed, which would likely lead to a short squeeze. But I have to state that at the moment gold is in the limbo state. Thus, it is premature to conclude that sellers failed. We need a price confirmation of gold trading above $1,700 mark next week. I believe fireworks will start post-FOMC meeting on September 21st, which could catapult gold first to 1,800 and then towards 2,000 mark already by the end of October. The last part of the year should be very exciting for precious metals. This is it for today. Stay well and enjoy the weekend. Please note that this video is not an investment advice and prepared solely for educational purposes.